Let's install our Redacted Arms RAS. Tools you're going to need: T10 screwdriver and an Allen key. Let's start with taking our Ar-15 lower as a standard fire control group and safety selector. Let's remove the Allen key and the pistol grip. Remove the pistol grip and spring. Drop the D10 out. Put those to the side. We're going to reuse those. Move your old safety selector. Put that to the side. We're not going to be needing that. Let's take our RAS selector. Remove that T10 on the side. Once it's removed, separate it from the selector lever. Separate the lever. You'll be stuck with the shaft and the spring. Reinsert the spring onto the shaft. Take your lower receiver. Take the lever with the hook. Put that down into your left side safety selector hole with the hook facing towards the buffer. You're then going to insert your shaft and feed the end of it through the hole in that hook. Just like that. Take note of the direction of the fire selection. You're going to maintain pressure on the right side. We're going to find the keys on the shaft and line it up with the keys on the selector lever. Just like that. Wiggle it a little bit, make sure it seats. Take your T10, insert it in there. Your T10 screwdriver. In this case, I am using a torque screwdriver and I am torquing it to 15 inch-pounds. Torqued. We're now going to flip it upside down. We're going to insert our D10 with the pointy side down. Take the pistol grip with the spring. Insert it, make sure the spring drops into the D10 hole. Push it down, and then tighten your pistol grip back down. Let's test function. Safe should be safe. Put it in fire. Fire should be semi. There should be no interaction with the trigger. When you move the lever, you should have to reset the trigger to fire it again. And then we're going to put it into the third position. Fire, maintain pressure on the trigger, reset the hammer, push the lever back, it'll reset the trigger, push it forward, and it should fire. We can now go ahead and reinstall the upper, and we're going to take this to the range and try it out.